Okay, so this is VELSTRETCH. We keep this in 25.4mm in black and in white. It is a USA line, so obviously the measurement being 25.4mm, their unit of measurement is imperial. This is a elastic loop. It will stretch to around 55% of its original length, and as I stretch it you can see that the loops run sort of diagonally. So rather than running the loops across the tape, these run diagonally in longer runs, and that's because when you stretch it at whatever point you elongate the tape, it still allows for the hooks to really engage well with the loops at whatever point the tape is stretched. So the edge is all formed from the backing of the tape. So it is a stitched edge which is soft. So on medical applications it's not going to hurt anyone's skin. The back is sort of a plush velour, so it's again very soft on the skin. This will work, the loops will work with any woven hooks or plastic extruded hooks, and the VELSTRETCH is used mainly in the medical industry, in the sports industry. It is a very high quality elastic loop tape.